Hey guys, so one of the ways to quickly ruin your outdoor fun is to step into a big old pile of fire ants. And these guys can pack a punch, especially if you get a bunch of them. You don't want your pets, your kids bitten by them. They are not fun, and they unfortunately are here to stay, but there are things that we can do to really reduce the populations on your property, if not keep them out for the time being. And what we provide is 3 applications of an ant bait. This is one of the best products on the market. It does a fantastic job of controlling them real quick in the first few days, and then also it'll keep them under control throughout the season. And we apply these in the spring, summer, and heading into the fall. That's when the fire ants are most active, and we'll apply it over the whole property and make sure we get full coverage of them. And this is a simple and very safe process for us to put out. It's a low use product that goes down. You don't even see it once it's out there. You don't need to water it in. You just put it down, let the ants take it. And please remember, we exist to free your life of outdoor maintenance.